Okay, I'm back. Today we're gonna go walk Queen Street, and right over there is Spadina, and we're on Queen. We're gonna go east on Queen. 5 degrees Celsius day. A little bit of wind. Just ate a donut, so I'm licking my lips. So let's start this thing. Woo! I do have the wind muffs on. I hope they stay on. It is windy. Okay. The buzz has started. People laughing. The trees are crackling. Footsteps. Okay. What do we got here? They've lost their sign and it's for lease. So I guess not too many people are buying lacy stockings and underpants and platform shoes. Okay. Oh, did I miss anything across the street? Yeah, I did actually. Let's zoom over there. That's the Horseshoe Tavern down there. Okay. Coming up to Steve's Music Store. A couple of puppies getting walked. Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Across the street, Chick-fil-A. And the Rivoli right over there. And let's check and see if there's a lineup at Brandy Melville's. There always is a lineup at Brandy Melville's. Don't know what's in Brandy Melville's. Let's zoom in. Right there, Brandy Melville. It's a short lineup today, but a lineup anyways. Let's bring it back. Love my zoom, people. Love my zoom. Good old Brandy Melville's. Doing something right. Always busy. Making a killing. Pops. Vinyl records there. The vape shop right here. I don't know if it's coming or going. A lot of businesses are kind of disappearing. One week you come down and they're there, and the next week, full lease. No one's buying anything. 24/7. Yep. Everyone's tightening the old purse strings. No one quite knows what's going to be happening in 2026. Wouldn't want to be a car salesman or a real estate salesman right now. Ooh, Tangerine bike needs a little oiling. All right. Soho Street, right down here. Condo. Let's cross. And we're coming up to Peter Pan. Never been in there. Guess it has Peter Pan type food. Oop. TD Bank. The city today does not have a lot of foot traffic, as usual. I don't know what's going on. Repair and run. Okay. Is it okay to ride your e-bike in the winter with all that salt? I see a lot of people doing it. Leave in a comment if you're like an Uber Eats guy and you have to use your bike to toot around the city. Let me know if your bike, parts of it rust because of the salt. Because we use salt here to melt the snow. So, Little Burgundy. Looks like a show store. Aritzia across the street there. Oh, Oh yay. Queen Street, Toronto, Ontario, Canada. We're going east for a nice relaxing walk. Okay. Shoppers Drug Mart across the street. Foot Locker right here. Is Foot Locker doing well? Everything seems to be like in trouble and not doing all that well and closing stores. I wonder how. I see a lot of Foot Lockers around. Doesn't seem to be affected by anything. Oh, I wonder. Pet Cafe right here. Life in the city. Okay. Starting to lose a little daylight fast. Chipotle Mexican Grill right here. Oh yeah. Something. Oh, that place over there, the black market. I think usually has a lot of music piping out of there. You walk by, you think it's like a disco. But anyways, you can hear it across the street where I am. All right. Mazika. This cafe here is always busy. Monday to Sunday, busy. They're doing something right. They're doing something right. I've come here on a Monday night, like around 11, and that place has got a lineup right there. Get you a little closer and bring it back. Love my Zoom, people. Oh, November. Almost the Christmas holidays. Bell Media Studio right there. Leave in the comments the last time you walked Queen Street. What do you think of Queen Street? Should be able to see. Get a shot of the CN Tower here. Peeking out right over there. Bell Media Studios. Okay. Condos. I think I'll have to put my gloves on at some point, but it's in my bag. I don't want to shut the camera down to get my gloves, so I'll brave it. But my fingers are frozen. Woo-wee. And my head's too warm. I have a toque on. If I put the gloves on, then I'll probably overheat in that too. But anyways, what do we got going on here? I don't know what's going on here, but a little confusing. There's signage. Bob. Oh, excuse me. Right here. Okay. I'm gonna cross while I have a chance. There's no light. Little construction over right here. Oh, okay. The Bombay Indian cuisine right there. Another Indian place right here. If you want Indian food, Flame Sushi across the street. You've also got the Korean Grill House and Jinja. All right. Blind Tiger Tattoo. I'm gonna get a tattoo right here. A lot of the tattoo places and shoe places always have the loudest music. The Rex. Want to listen to some jazz right there? Get you closer. Love my zoo. Okay. Retail police right here. Oh. All right. Queen Street. Little barbershop action there. Retail place for lease right here.
So that would have been.
Yeah, it's pretty sad. I'm seeing a lot of places for lease. So I think that something ugly is here already. I think we'll see it fully in 2026. I'm hoping that the economy just turns around big time, but I fear that we're in for some hard times. Hard times. Simcoe Street. Simcoe Street. See the leaves blowing around there? Tells you what kind of wind we got going on. Okay. And the next street will be University Avenue. Queen and University Avenue. Look at that green monster. A few weeks ago, it wasn't that green. It wasn't that much of a monster. It's going up fast. It's amazing how sometimes you see some kind of construction going on. One of the lines anyways. Subway lines, I believe. Nothing, and then all of a sudden, bang, it's going up fast. Someone's cracked a whip. We're losing money. Let's get things going. Sunday, Pure Leader. Jeez. So many places have to open Sunday now. Or work Sunday. Got 12 seconds to make this light. Or else I'm stuck in that island for several light rotations. Okay, it's University Avenue in the south direction, and that's University in the north, actually. Yep. Look at this baby right here. For a while they kind of stagnated, but all of a sudden, bang, they got to work in this thing. They got to work. Okay. Queen Street, Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Please leave what country you're from. It's always interesting to know how far away someone's actually watching my walks. I'll try and make them better. Not always easy to do. It requires time to make it better. To make it better, it requires a lot more editing. So I kind of get away with a bare minimum editing. But hopefully I'll have some time in the future. Okay, should I run? This is York Street to make this green. Doesn't really matter because I'm crossing the street, but anyways, let's do it. Let's cross. Now we're gonna go on the north side of Queen and continue to Nathan Phillips Square. Oh, very quiet city today. I think if I was a cop, I'd be happy when I see this. Not much going on. They can have a nice relaxing shift. Okay. Woo! The Sheraton. Let's go up, way up, way up. This hotel is built like a domino. Just straight up. A little, what do we got there? Some kind of Tai Chi something, I don't know. All I know is any one of them could probably kick my ass. I don't want to estimate anyone who meditates and has a chi at the end of whatever they're doing. One finger. Oh, why does it hurt? Down you go. Okay, over there. That's where we're headed. We'll see what's doing at Nathan Phillips Square. Our City Hall right there. A fat pigeon right here. All the birds down here are fat. People feed them big time. And a fat squirrel as well too. And they ain't afraid of you. They will tell you to F off. Don't ask me how I know. Okay. Very quiet at the Nathan Phillips Square. Usually I have a little music to worry about. For those of you who don't know, if there's music on my video, YouTube will give you a copyright strike because it's not your music. And then, you know, don't need to deal with that. So, anyways, that is City Hall. Zoom in. That's where Olivia Chow works. Right there. A good mayor she is. Keeps the city nice and calm. Some people have issue with her, but as long as the city's calm and there's no massive riots and craziness, and a mayor could keep that going, I'm happy. Just don't raise my property tax. Anyways, this is going to be a ice rink soon. In the summer, it's a fountain, and in the winter, it's an ice rink. And I'm sorry, people, especially from around the world in Europe, all we have is a Toronto sign. We don't have like statues of people peeing in fountains and stuff like that that are 100 years old. It's just a little sign that says Toronto, and that's our centerpiece. Over there is old City Hall. Right there. Love my zoom. I was in there about a month and a half ago. Might want to check that out. They had like a tour of old City Hall. See all the old rooms and stuff were supposedly ghosts. Anyways, I think I'm gonna save you any more kind of stagnation and boredom and end this thing right here at City Hall because nothing else interesting right now. Whoa, I don't know what's going on, but I just walked into a cloud of pot. Oh, I don't like the smell of cannabis. I don't smoke cannabis, but if people do, I don't care. But I just don't like the smell of it. Thanks for coming along this walk. Please like and subscribe, and I'll make more vids when I get a chance.